So I thought shortcuts in OBS didn't work on macOS. Well, it was kind of frustrating because in fact it does work, and I'm going to show you in this video how to enable keyboard shortcuts for OBS. And yeah, you're gonna have to go somewhere. So you're gonna have to go actually here, and then click on this, select system settings, and then you're gonna have to go to privacy and security, and then here in privacy and security look for input monitoring, and then just click on this, and then here just enable OBS, and that's all you have to do. Now using shortcuts on OBS, it's going to work. Now if you go to here's OBS, if I go to settings and I go to hotkeys, now if I want to use shortcut, it's going to work without any issues. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Make sure you subscribe for more if you found this helpful, and like this video. Thanks for watching and take care.